Shine.
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 Shine can be a verb, a noun or a name. As a verb, shine can mean 1. To emit light, 2. To reflect light, 3. To distinguish oneself, to excel, 4. To be effulgent in splendor or beauty, 5. To be eminent, conspicuous, or distinguished, to exhibit brilliant intellectual powers, 6. To be immediately apparent, 7. To create light with a flashlight, lamp, torch, or similar, 8. To cause to shine, as a light, 9. To make bright, to cause to shine by reflected light, 10. To cause something to shine, put a shine on something, polish something, 11. To polish a cricket ball using saliva and one's clothing. As a noun, shine can mean 1. Brightness from a source of light, 2. Brightness from reflected light, 3. Excellence in quality or appearance, splendor, 4. Shoeshine, 5. Sunshine, 6. Moonshine, illicitly brewed alcoholic drink, 7. The amount of shininess on a cricket ball, or on each side of the ball, 8. A liking for a person, a fancy, 9. A caper, an antic, a row. As a name, shine can mean surname.
It's an inherent desire to shine in front of society.